everybody. This is Stu from Ukulele Zen, and I wanted to invite you to a special online ukulele workshop called The Inner Game of Strumming. We're going to be exploring the art of strumming with our right hand, getting more rhythm into our playing. Whether you are a beginning ukulele player or you've been playing for years, there is something great for you in this workshop. I've created a wonderful program. I can't wait to share it with you. There are links in the description below with all the details. If you can't attend live, no worries, because this session is going to be recorded and you'll have access to this for a month. And yes, patrons of Ukulele Zen will receive a discount. It'll be posted to the Ukulele Zen Patreon page. What I'd like to do in this workshop is show you that strumming is about the coordination of the mind, the body, and the instrument. So I'm going to be sharing with you some really fun and holistic practice techniques that can really improve your groove, also make the journey of learning music much easier, all while we play fun, accessible songs. Look forward to seeing you there. When the whole session's over, I'll play a few tunes for you. Look forward to hanging with you. And I just want to say a big thanks to the Salt Lake City Strummers who are hosting this event. This weekend would have been the weekend that I would come to you again in person. I loved our visit. Last time I came was April 2019. We had a blast. I really appreciated all the good times and the good music making that we had together. So, of course, I can't come because of COVID-19. However, this virtual event will be the next best thing. Hope to see you there. Thanks so much. Keep on strumming, and I hope that this message finds you well.